Welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when we upload a new video.
In today's video, I will be showing you how to end a task or force close an app using Task Manager in Windows 10. Sometimes when you're using a certain app or even playing a game on your computer, it can crash and it won't let you close down the program. So to do this, all you need to do is go down to your taskbar and right click, and then you now need to go onto Task Manager. So I've opened Firefox as an example, so you would just simply click on the program here and click on End Task. And as you can see, it's no longer running. You can also press the Windows key and the X on your keyboard and click on Task Manager that way, and you will be able to then close or end any apps or programs that you have running that you cannot close. And that's it for this tutorial. That's how easy it is to end a task using Task Manager in Windows 10. I hope this video did help. If it did, hit the like button below and subscribe.
Don't forget to check out my social media channels and forum.